Hey guys, welcome back to the RV8 Pilot. It's Wednesday, October 20th, and my wife had to leave for a business trip to Cancun, Mexico. She's flying on Southwest Airlines out of Midway Airport here in Chicago. And I was going to drive her down there this morning, and normally that's between an hour and a half and 2 hours to get down there from up here, Poplar Grove, depending on what the traffic looks like. The weather turned out to be beautiful today, so I said, why not load up the RV8 and I'll fly you down there. About a half-hour flight to get there. Been into Midway before with the Learjets, but never with the RV8. So we loaded up this morning and flew down, about 35-minute flight or so, and landed, taxied over to Atlantic Aviation, which I've used before with the Learjets, and borrowed a crew card, dropped her off at the terminal, and she's en route as we speak to Cancun, Mexico. So we just did a little video on the way down, so take a look. And as always, if you guys like these videos, click the subscribe button. It helps us. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. And click the little bell icon. That will let you get notifications that we put a new video out. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video. So let's take a look. Yeah, you're funny.
We're doing it! We're doing it!
Well, here we are. We're at Charlie 77 Poplar Grove. It's what, 6:14 in the morning, and Trisha's going away for a little trip, work trip, Cancun, Mexico. Rather than driving to Midway, I'm gonna fly her. You ready to go?
Ready, lover.
All right, props and mixture full forward. All lights are on, boost pumps on. Let's go up to 3,000 feet. Nobody out here. Won't talk to anybody. Keep quiet. Fogging me up though, because you're so hot.
Uh-huh.
All right, 1,700. Everything's in the green. Ready to go?
Ready.
Rockford approach, good morning. It's experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot.
Experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot, Rockford approach.
Good morning, sir. We are VFR off of Poplar Grove, leveling up 3,000 feet. Look for VFR flight following to Midway Airport.
Experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot, squawk 4253.
4253 coming at you.
Terminal 0, Mike Foxtrot, radar contact 4 miles south of Poplar Grove Airport. Proceed on course to Midway.
On course to Midway, 0 Mike Foxtrot, thank you, sir.
Terminal 0, Mike Foxtrot, contact Chicago Approach 120.55. Have a good night.
12055 for 0 Mike Foxtrot, thank you, sir.
120.35.
Chicago Approach, good morning. It's experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot, VFR 3000.
Terminal 800, Mike Foxtrot, Chicago Approach 3007, where you headed?
3007 Midway Airport this morning.
Hey there, Mike Foxtrot. What is your exact type of experimental?
Vans RV8.
Roger.
How fun is this?
Fun.
What a way to commute. Look at the Interstate 90, a lot of traffic over there.
I know, I just took a picture of it. That's where we would be, sitting.
Terminal 1, Mike Foxtrot, contact Chicago 133.5.
33.50 Mike Foxtrot, see you now. Chicago Approach, good morning. It's experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot, VFR 3000.
Terminal 800, Mike Foxtrot, Chicago Approach, morning. Midway Approach 3008.
08, thank you. And for planning purposes, we're just going to a fix right now. Zerno, Zulu, Uniform, Romeo, November, Oscar, then we'll go direct Midway.
30 Mike Foxtrot, roger. Approach 23 shortly, traffic 10 o'clock, 5 miles southeast, bound experimental at 3000.
Is that traffic? That traffic right over there.
I was looking for that. I saw the one above us. I couldn't find. I still haven't seen the one.
0 Mike Foxtrot, traffic 2 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound of Waterfront, 4500 for 24 for state.
Insight for 0 Mike Foxtrot. So he's 400 feet above us. He's descended down.
Oh, I see him right there.
Look at all the airplanes going into O'Hare over there.
I know. I was just looking at that. It's like, they look little. They look like almost like laser beams, or like
They're
just
just stopping on the ground for each runway. 27 right, 28 center.
they're just spaced perfectly, aren't they?
Yep.
Aircraft 1637, contact Chicago City, 120.12. Ground, Roger, 1637. Ground, 21.6. Foxtrot, contact Midway Tower, 135.2.
35.2, good day, sir. Midway Tower, good morning. It's experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot VFR 2500 Juliet.
800 Mike Foxtrot, Midway Tower, wind 1006, maintain VFR at or below 2,000 feet, alongside the fast dry airspace. Fuel altimeter is 3008. Radar contact, correction, radar contact 11 miles west, runway 2,500. Stay in tension.
We're descending down to 2,000. Information, Juliet, landing Midway, going to Atlantic Aviation this morning.
800 Mike Foxtrot, report Midway, okay.
Yeah, we got Midway in sight for 0 Mike Foxtrot.
0 Mike Foxtrot, thank you. Enter right traffic for runway 22 right.
Right traffic, 22 right for 0 Mike Foxtrot.
Approaching altitude. Autopilot mode. Switch fuel tank.
Right traffic, 22 right.
Look at the traffic already on 355 over there. We would have gotten in that, I think.
Yes.
Autopilot disconnect.
Visual 22 right. Midway Airport, just right over my right shoulder, all those bright white lights.
Yeah.
That's the terminal.
Okay.
67 turn left, Victor, contact ground, good morning. Victor ground, contact ground. Challenger 852, definitely on. RN222 left. Challenger 852, Delta Lima, Midway Tower, wind 200 at 6. Traffic 12 o'clock on 6 miles. Experimental RV, lands the parallel, only 22 left, clear to land. Clear land 22 left, 852, that's fine. 0 Foxtrot Mike, traffic 1 mile per hour, lands the parallel. Traffic 12 o'clock and 5 miles. Challenger also lands the parallel, only 22 right, clear to land.
22 right, clear to land. 0 Mike Foxtrot has both traffic in sight. All right, there's Midway right off the right.
Cool.
Now there's 2 runways, 22 left, 22 right. We're cleared to land on 22 right. The other bigger airplanes are landing on 22 left.
Atlantic. 4 turn left is Victor, taxi into Atlantic, remain this frequency, good morning. Left on Victor, Atlantic with you, 4 Tango Sierra.
Traffic.
Southwest 1859, with you on the RNAV Yankee 22 left.
Southwest 1859, LHR, wind 190 at 5, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 22 left, South 1859.
All right, everything's forward, mixture props forward. There's our landing traffic next to us. All right, last notch flaps. Ready to land, Midway?
Ready.
Terminal 0 Mike Foxtrot, turn left at Foxtrot, hold short, runway 22 left, remain this frequency.
All right, left turn at Foxtrot, hold short at 22 left, we'll stay with you, 0 Mike Foxtrot.
Plus 1859, turn left at Kilo, then contact ground. Good morning. Ground, Kilo, Southwest, taking us down. 0 Mike Foxtrot, cross runway 22 left at Foxtrot, traffic holds the position, and taxi to the tower apron, this frequency.
All right, cleared across 22 left on Foxtrot, and tower apron with you for 0 Mike Foxtrot.
All right, got a crew car, Atlantic Aviation.